Now display type, display resolution, display size, refresh rate, pixel density, brightness, screen to body ratio, bezel-less display, display protection. Now for design, height, width, thickness, weight, build, water resistant, color. Now for battery capacity, charging, wireless charging, reverse charging. Now for performance, chipset, CPU, graphics, RAM type. Now for storage, RAM, internal memory, expandable memory, memory type, expandable RAM. Now for connectivity, SIM configuration, network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, GPRS, headphone jack, USB cable. Now for extra features, fingerprint sensor, fingerprint position, FM radio, dual display, foldable display, curved display. Now for camera, back camera, back video recording, front camera, front video recording. Now for general OS update, variant, price, release date. Now for result, now for winner phone,